In this quick video, I'll show you how to blur images in Adobe Express. So first, head over to the Adobe Express web app, and once you're here, you need to either create a new project or upload your photo and start from your content. I'm going to create a new project in the top left hand corner. We'll go custom size, and I'll just do 1920 by 1080, and we'll create a new file. And what we'll do from here is we will upload our own image. Now you can either upload your own image on the left, or you can use the media or images already in Adobe Express. I'm going to click on upload. And what we'll do is we'll choose a JPEG image from my downloads and we will upload it. Now the image is uploaded. Now what we can do, we can click on the image, we can resize it obviously. I would resize it before you blur. Now once you've clicked on your image, this box will appear on the left. What you need to do is scroll down, then head over to adjustments. In adjustments, you'll see all of the details you can edit. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see detail, you'll see blur. Slide this up and you can blur this up to 100%. Once you're happy, just click out the adjustments box and the image will stay blurred. So that's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.